Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to perform digital marketing researches using a powerful Google Chrome extension named Wappalyzer. And now let's see how we can perform. So now let's jump into it. And what is Wappalyzer? Wappalyzer is a powerful Google Chrome extension or Firefox extension where we can simply identify the technologies used in a website. And now I will show you the exact method to download Wappalyzer extension. So you can simply click the link below in the description to get the Wappalyzer extension for 100% free. And the link I have pinned a link in the description, so you can simply click that link and you can proceed and you can install it, and I will show the steps to get it. So this is the link, and this link you guys can see this is the website I have attached, and you can simply proceed to this link and you can click download Wappalyzer. And Wappalyzer is the extension where we can track all the CMS or any type of website. We can track the CMS and their technologies. They are using technologies and many more, and we can simply click download Wappalyzer, and this will redirect me to the Chrome web store. So I can simply install this by clicking this button, but as I have already installed it, this shows me remove from Chrome, and you can simply proceed like that. And so now I want to show you how you can do powerful researches using this small extension. So now I'm going to proceed to a website, and this is a website of this is an awesome website. So now let's check from what CMS is this website built from. And as you guys can see, this is built from Blogger, and this use security reCAPTCHA, and this is connected to Google Analytics, and it uses Google AdSense for the advertising program. And you can see the JavaScript library and CDN and programming languages used in this site. And we can take a similar competitor site and we can analyze like this. And now I'm going to go to a WordPress website named WP-beginners, and now I'm going to search this website. This is the website, and this is 100% made with WordPress. And now I'm going to analyze this website, and as you guys can see, this is using WordPress as the CMS and WP Rocket as caching. And you can simply improve your website type by using these tools, and you can analyze the big websites tools, and you can use the web tools used in those websites, and you can use it to your website to make your website perfect and to optimize the digital marketing strategies. And this tool is 100% free, and I will show you another one of the best tool here. As you can read this article, and you can simply get a good idea in the top 5 best Google Chrome extension in 2022. And you can see an extension named SimilarWeb, which is also a great extension. You can simply click download to download this extension 100% free. And this extension tracks the ranking of any website, so we can simply track all the traffic in a website. So now I'm going to refresh this website, And now I'm gonna click the similar web icon to analyze the monthly traffic. And in September month, this website carried 2.95 million viewers or visitors per month, and you can simply see the bounce rate and pages per visit, and the monthly visit is over 3 million. And you can simply see the top countries uh, from where the visitors come, and United States is leading. And you can simply see the traffic sources, whether it is search, direct or referral, social or display ads or email. And this is also yet again a powerful tool like Wappalyzer, and both are best digital marketing tools to improve your website into the next level. And you guys can simply proceed to this link, and you can download this extension for 100% free. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.